Hello everybody. Today we're going to be making some honey barbecue fried chicken. I'm going to be actually using chicken thighs and chicken legs. I have 13 pieces right there. The seasoning we're going to use is onion powder, thyme, chili powder, chicken rub, black pepper. Those are the seasonings, and then that's my little bag in the back, and that's for my flour and my baking powder for battering the chicken. And we're gonna obviously use honey and barbecue sauce. So I've got the chicken all washed up. I'm gonna take my seasonings. I'm gonna go ahead and season the meat. You know, you have to season your meat according to what you like to eat. And I'm gonna get my flour batter prepared, and I'll bring you back. Okay guys, I got my meat seasoned up. I have it here. There's my flour batter. In addition to seasoning my meat, I did also put the black pepper, onion powder, and seasoning salt. Chili powder into the flour mixture as well. And for those that don't fry with baking powder, it's 2.5 cups of flour in the bag, and it's 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and then 1 teaspoon of baking powder in the mixture. I didn't use an additional seasoning of this or the thyme, because the thyme is very strong and the chicken rub is very salty. So I just have that on my meat. So we're going to go ahead now and batter up the chicken and move over here to the stove. Okay, you guys, now we're here over here at the stove. We're going to check the grease and see if it's hot. Yeah. Okay. Actually, we can go ahead and put it in. It's 13 pieces, so I'm going to try to get 7 in the first go round. Okay, we're going to give it a couple of seconds, and then I'm going to turn it down to like a 6. My stove actually goes up to a number 10, so I'm going to turn it on number 6, and I'm going to cook it for about 9 to 10 minutes. But I'm also going to use a top. So I'm going to go ahead and cook this, and I'll bring you back. Okay, you guys, we're back. It's been about 10 minutes. We're going to go ahead and turn the chicken over. See, like that? That's what we're looking for, like that, on both sides. Isn't that golden beautiful? Woo. And I always try to use tongs if you have them, because it's not good to poke your chicken, because the grease runs right back in the chicken, and it makes the chicken real greasy at the end. So okay, we're gonna go ahead and cover this and cook it for another 10 minutes, and we'll be back. Okay guys, it's been 10 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and pull this chicken out. other batch, I'm just gonna go ahead on and cook. Then when it get done, I'll bring you back and we'll do the sauce after that. While all the chicken is draining the grease off. Okay, you guys, this is what we have going on right now. So I'm going to go ahead and fry that other batch of chicken, and then I will bring you back. We'll get started on the sauce. Alright, you guys, there's the finished product of all of our chicken. So now, we're going to go ahead and we're going to start on the sauce. So what you need to do is get you a saucepan, and you can turn your eye on to a little more than medium. And again, this is the one I'm using. You can use any kind you like, but since we're doing a honey flavor, a honey, barbecue sauce would be great. Now I use it according to how much chicken I have. Now I have 13 pieces of chicken, but I'm only going to put, I guess, about 7 pieces of it in here. This is what we have in here, which for me, that's not enough. So I'm going to need to grab some more. So I do have another one of the same one. Okay. And now, this is a 24 ounce of honey. It's like a little less than half left. So I'm gonna probably use half of this. All you really want to do is get it as sweet as you think you might like it. Of course, you can always go in and taste it. After you get it heated up. So this is what ours is looking like in here. So all you really want is just for the barbecue sauce and the honey to combine together. That's really it. So I'm going to turn it on about 8 for a couple of minutes. Go ahead and let it heat up, and I'll bring you right back. Okay, you guys, I got it all heated up, and it's a lot runnier than it was. Now, there's a couple of different ways you can do it. You can take your chicken and you can dip it and flip it and toss it in the sauce pot here. Or the way I like to do it, I like to take a bowl like this. And I like to take the chicken that I'm going to put in here. And then just pour the sauce over it. It's easier and it's a lot less messier. And then in the bowl, you can toss the chicken. Then whatever dish you have sitting to the side to put it in. 3 more. And I still don't throw the sauce out in case somebody want extra sauce on theirs. Because you actually could soak these for longer. This one don't want to flip for me. Okay, guys. I'm just going to garnish it with some green onions. And there we go, guys. Your honey. Trying to get you a good view. Your honey barbecue fried chicken.